Sorry, I just can't wrap my head around it sometimes. You're just staring, you're like, what is that?
Imagine what a narrow little piece of all of that infinity out there we're looking at in that one picture.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Well, Carson, we have to talk about what's happening here back on Earth with our weather. Another summer day.
Yeah. Another summer day. Hottest day of the week, as a matter of fact, guys. Heading for the mid-90s later on today. Have a little bit of a cloudy start to our Tuesday in most spots. Huntsville 74, Decatur 73. Sun trying to peek through, and Guntersville. The only areas this morning that have full sunshine is Muscle Shoals, where those temperatures are still in the low to mid 70s. I do expect that cloud cover to move out throughout the day, and during the daytime hours today, we will stay dry. No issues on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network now. We'll stay dry during the day, but later on tonight, we'll start to see some of those showers and storms creeping back into North Alabama. Until then, though, it is hot. 96 is our forecast high. Again, the hottest day of the week. But when you factor in that humidity, it's tolerable humidity, but it will feel more like 102, maybe 103 this afternoon. No heat advisory in effect, but you still probably want to take it a little bit easy if you're outside during that peak heat of the afternoon. Don't forget that sunscreen either. UV index still in the extreme category. It's going to stay that way for quite some time, of course. That means your sunburn time this afternoon is about 10 minutes, maybe less than that. Let's talk about our chores outdoors for the rest of the week. Outside of the heat, you can get stuff done today. I would just get it done this morning or late this evening. Try to avoid during that peak heat of the day if you possibly can. For your Wednesday, well, we're going no-go. Widespread showers and storms are expected throughout the day tomorrow, and some of those storms tomorrow could be a bit strong. Not expecting much in the way of severe weather per se, but heavy rain, lightning, and gusty winds all need to be watched tomorrow. That front moves through tomorrow night, and we'll have a much quieter and more seasonable way to wrap up the work week. Let's go through future radar. Again, today, pretty quiet. The clouds that we're seeing right now, they're gone later on this afternoon. Watch what happens overnight. Look at the top of your screen. You see those showers and storms up in Middle Tennessee. That's right along the cold front. Now, that cold front is going to take its sweet time moving southward into North Alabama. What does that mean overnight? If you're watching us in southern Tennessee, maybe here in Huntsville, Athens, Muscle Shoals, Florence, you could see a couple of isolated showers, 1 or 2 rumbles of thunder overnight tonight. The better chances for storms across North Alabama tomorrow is going to be during the morning, heading into the afternoon hours, much more widespread coverage during the afternoon. And any of these storms that we see on Wednesday could have heavy rain, a lot of lightning, and perhaps some gusty winds. Not out of the question to maybe have 1 or 2 severe thunderstorm warnings tomorrow, but the overall severe weather risk is low. Storms wind down after sunset tomorrow night. We'll see a good bit of rain over the next few days, 1 to 2 inches of rain the further south you go. If you're in the Shoals, Athens, Decatur, maybe only around 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain. It says over the next 7 days, yes, but a lot of this rain will fall tomorrow. Quick update on the tropics, by the way. We're still watching this disturbance just off the Gulf Coast. 30% chance becoming a named tropical cyclone over the next 5 days. Regardless of whether or not it becomes a named storm, a lot of rain on the way for Gulf Shores, Pensacola, Panama City. Those folks could see over 6 inches of rain just through the weekend. 7-day forecast here at home, 96 today. And once that front moves through, it will still be warm, but at least seasonably warm, staying in the low 90s for highs and near 70 for overnight lows.